Do you know what feminism is? Well, I'm not talking about the new age feminism, but talking about the feminism that was introduced to the world by women warriors, women who led the nation to achieve the new heights, and women who are examples of courage. There exist women who are setting the right example and inspiring others to achieve great heights of success. A lady filled with simplicity and cultural essence, with a ranking of one of the world's wealthiest women in the Forbes billionaire list 2018. A woman who once stayed at home to take care of the family but jumped into the field of politics and business after Mr. O.P. Jindal's death, the chairperson of Jindal Group. Brave-hearted, simple, full of cultural elegance, yet profound and aggressive in thought process, Savitri Devi Jindal. Being a mother at heart and a businesswoman at mind, Savitri ma'am runs admiration so successfully that in today's time, the Jindal's group is not only every Indian mouth but also internationally put a stamp on the world. Beside political and business life, this lady with a spark of simplicity also works for social issues. Let's look at some of the amazing learning lessons from this great leader. Number one, it is never late until you start. After her husband's sudden demise, Savitri Jindal discovered a whole new world where she found herself as a politician, social activist, and billionaire at the age where grey-haired people plan to retire from their household and professional duties. Number two, good intentions are need of the hour. Savitri Jindal entered politics to follow the footsteps of her husband. She became a minister in the Bhupendra Singh Hooda government twice. During her tenure, she held the portfolio of Minister of State for Revenues, Disaster Management, Rehabilitation and Housing in 2006 and Minister for the Urban Local Bodies in 2013. Number three, age is just a number for real. At the age of 71, Savitri Jindal remained aloof from the business matters and keep herself engaged in overseeing the various social welfare programs in the education, healthcare initiated by the Jindal Group founder. She also remains focused on ensuring family integrity and unity among her children and grandchildren. Savitri Jindal is a classic example of extreme situational leadership, where she didn't allow the situation to pull her down. From simple housewives was full of cultural essence, moving to the field of politics and business, which demands completely an opposite personality. She ensured that this situation is evolving the leader inside her and the warrior inside her. Are the situations in your life pulling you down, or they are actually a booster and a tailwind for your success in the coming times? Question yourself.